In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add attributes to your Google Business profile, a process that should only take about 5 minutes. Adding these attributes is a smart way to enhance your business's online presence and ensure that potential customers have the most accurate information about what makes your business unique. So let's dive in and go through this step-by-step process together. First, you'll want to navigate to business.google.com, where all the magic happens. Once there, if you're not already signed in, look to the upper right corner of the screen and click on the sign in button. You'll need to use the Gmail account that's linked to your business. If this is your first time signing in, Google will prompt you to enter your Gmail credentials associated with your business account. Make sure these details are handy to avoid any delays. However, if you've signed in before, you'll be taken directly into your Google Profile Manager, a control center for all your business details. Next up, choose the business you need to edit. From the list of businesses, click See Your Profile. Alternatively, if you prefer a different route, you can simply go to Google and type your business name or even just My Business. Hitting enter will pull up your business page, then simply click View Profile to return to your dashboard. Once you're back on your Google Business dashboard, you're ready to edit your profile. Look for the Edit Profile section to start making those meaningful changes. To proceed, click on More, which will lead you to a page where various attributes are displayed. Here, you'll find numerous attributes you can add to describe your business better. Some of the more popular ones include options like identifies as women owned, LGBTQ+ friendly, and other community driven traits. These attributes can significantly help prospective clients or customers understand more about the values your business stands for. To add an attribute, just click the pencil icon next to it. For each attribute you'd like to showcase, simply tick yes if it aligns with your business. When you finish selecting the relevant attributes, remember to click the Save button to ensure your changes are successfully applied. This straightforward method not only improves how you showcase your business, but also aligns your public profile with what your business genuinely offers in services and ethos. And that wraps up today's tutorial on adding attributes to your Google Business profile. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you'll continue to refine your online presence to boost your business further. Thanks for watching.